News breaking here on Headlines today. Congress sitting MP in the Rajya Sabha, Renuka Chowdhury, one of the party's most visible faces, finds herself embroiled in an alleged case of bribe for an assembly ticket. A case of forgery and criminal intimidation has been filed against Congress MP Renuka Chowdhury for allegedly having taken a bribe from a ticket aspirant, Ramjee Naik, for the Vaira Assembly seat in Khammam district of Telangana. Naik did not get the Congress ticket and passed away later. His wife Kalavati approached the Hyderabad High Court and the court asked the police to file the case under section 420 for forgery and section 506 for criminal intimidation and also under the SC/ST Act since it is a reserved constituency. The complainant claims that Renuka had asked for 1 crore 10 lakh rupees in return for an assembly ticket. Now Renuka Chowdhury has hit back and said that it is baseless, humiliating and nothing more than dirty politics. Well, what you have on your screen right now is a copy of the first information report that's been filed against the Congress leader and Member of Parliament, Renuka Chowdhury. I want to quickly bring in Editor South T.S. Sudhir for more on this. Sudhir, give us more details about this. When exactly is this bribe alleged to have been accepted? Give us more details about the case.
Well, this bribe is alleged to have been accepted, Shiv, about sometime in 2013. That's when the offence has taken place, and the date is mentioned in the first information report, which has been filed today as well. The complainant, in fact, has also named 6 other people who we understand are leaders of the Congress, along with Renuka Chowdhury in the FIR.
Sudhir, stay with me for a moment. Renuka Chowdhury is with us on the phone line. Ms. Chowdhury, your first reactions to this report, this FIR that has been filed in your name, ma'am?
I'm outraged. I'm outraged because this is nothing but political manipulation. I have never met that lady in my life.
Who is she, ma'am? Who is she, ma'am?
Obviously, she's a tribal lady.
Do you have any suspicions on who, because you've said this is dirty politics, this is baseless and humiliating. I know these are early hours yet since this information has come out, ma'am, but do you suspect anyone or who do you think is playing this dirty politics?
It'll have to be other politicians, isn't it? It's a turf war. It's a turf war. After Andhra, Telangana has been divided. I have been allotted to Andhra by virtue of lottery, and my political constituency is in Telangana.
At this point of time, Ms. Chowdhury, the wife of the person who is alleged to have wanted this ticket and met you and all those other details that are there in the FIR says that there was criminal intimidation as well as acceptance of a bribe. But you are categorically saying, Ms. Chowdhury, but you've not met either of these people, either Kalavati or her husband, who is no more now.
I've met her husband. Her husband has come with a group of other tribals, all of whom will testify what the truth is.
Okay, Ms. Chowdhury, stay with me here on the phone line for a moment because this is a rapidly developing situation. We have Anil, who is the brother of Kalavati, the complainant.
Is he the complainant? Is he the complainant?
I just want to hear what he has to say, ma'am, if you will just bear with me.
You have to get the complainant. I'm not going to talk to random people. You get the complainant. Get the lady who says she has given it.
We are attempting to get the lady as well. Yes, we are attempting to get the lady as well. Anil?
I can't. I'll say my lawyer will talk to you. Why should I talk?
Okay, Renuka Chowdhury says that she will not speak to anyone except the complainant. Okay, Anil, where is the complainant? Why are you speaking on behalf of Kalavati?
Sir, can you speak somewhat loud, sir?
Anil, why are you speaking instead of Kalavati? Where is Kalavati, the complainant?
Sir, she is with me, sir. She can't speak, so that's why only I'm talking now, sir.
No, she can go to the police station and complain. She can't speak.
Hello?
Why can't she speak right now? Renuka Chowdhury, against whom this case has been filed, is on the phone line. Anil, why can't Kalavati speak? Why don't you put her on the phone line?
But she don't know how to talk in Telugu or, Hindi or English, sir. So I'm replying, no, sir.
No, she was speaking in Hindi just now times. Now, what is he bluffing?
Okay. No. Why don't you put Kalavati on the line? We'll try and speak to her in Hindi, Anil.
He was just now speaking in Hindi all time.
One thing, sir.
No.
Hello?
Renuka Chowdhury says, Renuka Chowdhury says that she has met Kalavati's husband, but she has never met Kalavati herself.
She is telling that she don't know who is Ramjee. I have photographs.
I never said that.
No, that's wrong.
Photos,
Renuka Chowdhury says she has met him. She has met him. She has not denied meeting him. Renuka Chowdhury here on Headlines Today has said she has met Ramjee, but she has not met Kalavati. She has not met the complainant. She has never met the complainant.
Sir, one thing, sir. Hello, sir, are you online?
Yes, continue.
Sir, one thing I'm telling. She is telling that she don't know who is Ramjee. I have photographs. I will produce it. Then she will agree with that. I have paper also.
Anil, Renuka Chowdhury has said two things right now. A, that she has definitely met Ramjee. She has definitely met him. She is not saying she hasn't met him. But she is also saying, Anil, hear me.
What?
First, why she told her like that?
I have not said that.
Hello?
She is not. Okay. Ramjee, Anil, let me ask you a direct question.
She told that she don't know who is Ramjee.
Anil.
Why she is telling like that?
No, I have not said that. This man is deliberately doing this.
Anil, let me ask you a straight question. Renuka Chowdhury says that this is some dirty politics at play. That there is somebody bigger behind this entire case against her. How would you respond to that, Anil? He says that
Sorry, sir.
Renuka Chowdhury is saying that this
Why
is dirty
didn't
politics.
Ramjee ask for this money when he was alive? He was alive. Elections finished 1 year ago. Why didn't he come and ask if he had given?
If he had given the money, why did he come and ask, Anil?
Why didn't he come and ask? Why did he know?
Sir, one thing, sir. When after giving ticket to another person, my father, my brother-in-law, and my sister went there, sir. Went there to ask money.
No, that's a lie. Complete lie.
Hello?
Renuka Chowdhury is saying that's a complete lie. Do you have any proof?
1 minute, sir. 1 minute, sir.
Anil, do you have any proof? Do you have any proof of this?
Hello?
Anil, do you have any proof
Get
that
the lady
your
now. Why are
brother-in-law
you
and your sister
Each
went?
and every proof, sir, I can produce to you. If you want that proof, you come to my house. I will show each and every proof.
Can you tell us what kind of proof you have? The reason I'm asking is this because this is a very serious issue. This is a very serious issue and we are not taking any sides here.
We have photos with Renuka Chowdhury. We have photos of her
Get the
daughter.
complainant on the
Which she
line.
has been photos with. Hello?
Anil, put Kalavati on the line. Renuka Chowdhury would like to speak directly to her.
Sir,
I don't want to speak to her. Usually I don't want to speak to her.
Just a minute.
Just put Kalavati on the line.
Hello?
कलावती जी, आप बताइए कि एग्जैक्टली क्या एलिगेशन है आपका अगेंस्ट रेणुका चौधरी। उनका कहना है कि वो आपसे कभी नहीं मिले हैं इससे पहले।
हेलो, और एक बात बोलिए।
आपका
she speaks perfectly good Hindi.
आपका केस क्या है कलावती जी? आपका केस क्या है?
You tell me in Hindi, sir. I will translate her and she will tell the answer.
Yes. I want Anil, I want you to ask Kalavati, is she saying that she has met Renuka Chowdhury before?
Sir, now you tell me, sir.
I want you to ask Kalavati and I want her direct reply. Is Kalavati saying that she has met Renuka Chowdhury before?
Sorry, hello?
Has Kalavati met Renuka Chowdhury before? Is that what
And
she's
did
saying?
she give me the money? That's what he's saying.
Renuka Chowdhury ne kalchava.
Kalcha memo.
Sir, she met it, sir.
She's saying she met. Renuka Chowdhury, she's categorically saying she's met you.
Where? Ask her where.
Where did she meet? Anil, where did this meeting take place?
Sir, sorry, hello?
Where did this meeting take place? Where did she meet her?
First meeting ఎప్పుడైంది? ఎక్కడ వెళ్తాను ఫస్ట్ టైం? Sir, first they met in Renuka Chowdhury house itself, sir.
Ms. Chowdhury, she says in your
For
house.
what reason?
What was the reason for the meeting? Anil, what was the reason for the meeting?
ఫస్ట్ టైం ఎందుకు వెళ్ళావు? టికెట్ కోసమా? సార్, they went for MLA ticket, sir. Vaira constituency.
So they're saying that it's directly about that. Renuka Chowdhury, they're saying that they met you regarding the MLA
ask
ticket.
them. It was not a hidden story that the Vaira ticket was given in alliance along with the parliamentary ticket was given in alliance to the CPI. It was public news in the newspapers.
Hello?
Can you ask Kalavati? Anil, I want you to ask Kalavati.
Please put her on the line. She speaks Hindi. You heard her just now.
Yeah. Anil, put Kalavati on the line. Renuka Chowdhury, against whom this allegation has been made, would like to speak directly. Kalavati ji, can you hear me? आप सुन सकते हैं?
Okay, sir. You ask her.
Okay, Renuka Chowdhury, would you like to ask a question directly to Kalavati? She's on the line.
No,
She can
I
hear
want you to ask her.
Yes.
Please ask her. She claims that she has come to the guest house. Or where did she meet me? In my house.
Yes, that she says she met you in your house.
And she came to ask for the ticket.
Yes.
For a ticket which was given to the CPI in alliance by the Congress party. It was not a rocket science or a secret. It was public news. What date did they come?
Sir, hello?
What date did they come to ask?
Hello, sir.
Answer that question.
1 minute, sir. I will tell you that answer.
Yes, answer.
No, did this man also come that day?
Were you also there, Anil?
Sir, one thing, sir. This
Yes.
relevance
No,
has
ask
been
him. If he was
declared
not there, he has to
election 1 month before, sir. That's it, sir. Hello, relevance has been what I want to tell means sir, relevance कब हुआ बोले तो election का 1 month before हुआ, sir.
It happened 1 month before the election.
Yes, sir, 1 or 2 months before. That's it, sir.
Acha, theek hai. When did Ramji die? Please ask him.
When did Ramji pass away, Anil? When did Ramji die?
Sir, October 14, sir, 2014.
So why did Ramji
Even I call her, sir. Even I call her. Ramji is in critical position.
Okay.
Why are you not coming? Means she told that I don't what we say. Sir, hello.
Yes.
Sir, I called her, sir, but she didn't left her phone, sir.
Do you have any recollection of this phone call, Renuka Chowdhury?
Sir, we call Pullaya. If you want, you can call to Pullaya, sir.
I want to.
Call her back.
Okay. Now we've got the complainant on the line. We've got Renuka Chowdhury, Congress leader, also on the line. There's a bit of a cross correction, but I want to ask a couple of straight questions before, the courts will decide, the investigation will decide what this is about. But I just want to get a couple of things absolutely clear. Renuka Chowdhury says she has not met the complainant in this case, Kalavati. But I also want to ask you, Anil.
Please ask after her husband died. First of all, why didn't her husband come and ask me for the money he has given it for the scheme? Between the 1 month before the elections and after the elections until he died, how many months have passed?
Anil, why didn't Ramji go and ask for the money back? Okay, he's disconnected that line. Renuka Chowdhury.
Very convenient because they disconnect. She speaks perfectly good Hindi with good diction.
Okay,
I heard her earlier.
She did say a few words in Hindi as well. Last couple of questions to you, Renuka Chowdhury. You say that this is baseless, dirty politics. You've got this particular individual who seems to be, very convinced that he has proof against you, that he's called you, has answers to some of the questions, doesn't have answers to many of the other questions. But again, I'd like to repeat my earlier question to you, Ms. Chowdhury. Do you suspect anyone in particular? We know that politicians, being in politics, it's easy to make enemies. But are there any specific suspicions you have at this time?
I have to establish that, so I'm working on that. Let me get the facts and I'll get back to you on this. Because there was evidence, there is some evidence about the person who met this lady last night at her place.
Okay, so you're saying that you already think that there might be some leads, that somebody met Kalavati yesterday and that there could be a larger conspiracy behind this. That's what you're saying.
Of course there is a larger conspiracy because this lady, I don't know how they can say that they brought... you ask the question, they're not answering those and then they're seeking time every time you ask for a clarification. You notice they're seeking time and they're saying they've got photographs. They said, I didn't know Ramjee. I never said that. I said I've met him several times.
Renuka Chowdhury,
He's never met me alone, the poor chap.
I want to just step away from the case
I'm
itself.
asking you one question.
Yes.
He said, look, it's a lot of money, and in the FIR they're saying 1.76. Then they're giving different figures when they speak. I'm asking you one thing. That's a lot of money. Elections are over. After elections, it's 8 months down the line, and a man who has given that much money, a tribal, a tribal has that much cash lying around. You think he won't come and ask? You think he won't throw tantrums and sit in front of my house on a hunger fast or something? I would. If I had given that kind of money, I would have been hatapai, I would have done, because I have that much money I can't afford to lose. So maybe
that's a fair question that you ask. We have Anil back on the line. I request you to stay with us for just a few more minutes,
yeah,
Ms. Chowdhury. I'm going to ask him that question.
Legally, I don't want to talk to them just now. Legally.
Okay, he's cut the line. Okay, he's cut the line again. Pertinent questions being raised by you here, Renuka Chowdhury. I just want to, while we try and re-establish that line with Anil, I just want to ask you a couple of...
you can ask your times now, people, that lady spoke Hindi without...
Yes, we're trying to get her back on the line as well.
You get her on the line and please ask her these questions.
Ms. Chowdhury, I just want to ask you, in this particular political atmosphere where, it doesn't take very much for allegations to fly thick and fast, how much of a problem is this going to be for you? You're a sitting member of parliament. You're a very senior, recognized Congress leader. How much of an embarrassment is this going to be?
Nothing like this I have been accused of in the last 30 years ever.
And how do you plan to handle it? Are you already in touch with your lawyers, ma'am?
I haven't even seen the FIR report. Do you mind? I haven't got a copy of it as yet.
Will you have to brief the Congress leadership about this, given the gravity of the allegations against you?
First, let me find out what the facts are.
Okay, Renuka Chowdhury.
I need to find out. I haven't even seen the FIR till now. I don't have a copy of the FIR.
All right, Renuka Chowdhury, thank you for speaking to Headlines today. You say that in 30 years of political life, you haven't had allegations of this kind against you. You say that there are questions and you believe that there's a larger conspiracy against this. But the important bit of information that's breaking here on Headlines today is the brother of the complainant and the complainant herself say they've got enough material evidence, including photographs, call records and other material to establish the substantive nature of their allegations. Now, we here on Headlines today don't know the facts yet. All we can go by at this point of time is the first information report that's been filed and the versions that Renuka Chowdhury and the complainant have actually given us. Remember, the person who is alleged to have given the bribe or offered the bribe is deceased. He died in October 2014. Is a person called Ramjee Naik. His wife at this point is the complainant, and we're talking about the 2013 and 2014 assembly elections. The details not coming in just yet, but remember, we've given you both sides of this breaking story. The courts and the police investigation will decide where the truth actually lies.